Muvea wa kukunikila sinema vanthi ya Kenya wa Kenya Film and Classification Board KFCB duniani wa umundi ni watu aisya umba na mwanya na aandiki mauvoo utelini wa Hilton va musini wa Ilovi vala muvea o wathingiliile kana ithau ye muisyo itumitwe Blue Whale na ila inakunywa Muungu ni serikali wa kwambililia wa matuko nyanyamwe o wakatano ya ili tue kuthau kwa ingi aineena Mwenekivila wa muvea o Ezekiel Mutua niwaisye kana mosi itambia yi nundu methitwe maikwata maunyungu nisyo maingi kuma kwa asyai kana syana syosi muisyo ni wa kuthauka ithau ye.
The decision was prompted by complaints from parents and the general public concerned and indeed disturbed by the fact that the social media game was being used to induce children to do harm on themselves and actually ultimately to commit suicide. By the time we took this action, one case of a teenager suicide had been reported in Nairobi.
Mutua oingi niwaisye kana kukunwa Muungu kwa ithau yi no Kwendeea nthi yonthe vala uetie kana tamavikie na kuandikia valua mitandao ya mikumukanilya ita Google, Twitter vamwe na Facebook ithau yi ikavikie na kuonany'wa.
We would like to reiterate that the ban on the Blue Whale Challenge is in force. And I think there should be no ambiguity about this. That game is not supposed to be available on any platform, online or otherwise, that is accessible in Kenya. That's a position of the government. And anyone found circulating, distributing, broadcasting, or providing access of the same Blue Whale Challenge to children will be prosecuted in line with the law. The board has written to Google, Twitter, and Facebook, and we've received commitment from the platforms and the managers of these platforms that the game is not available and will not be available on all their platforms or the platforms affiliated to these companies here in Kenya.
Oingi ndongo ino ni aisekana muvea uno kwekethia kana syana sitha itonya kuthauka ithau yi muisyo nthini wa cyber cafe.
We've also scaled up our surveillance to ensure that children do not have access to this game in cyber cafes and other gaming joints across the country.
Mutua ni yendeea na kuweta kana muvea wa KFCB witha wi mose ya matambia maimaki miyao alao nthema ukwatikana maendesye ithau ye.
We wish to state that the board will not tolerate any local or foreigners who are using online platforms to cause harm to children. Every internet service provider operating in Kenya is subject to the laws of this country and must comply fully with the law. Any foreigner operating in Kenya using web-based businesses who fails to comply with our regulation guidelines will be prosecuted in line with the law.
Ndongo ino ni umisye witano kwa asye yonthe maikithia kana ni matho imakela syana syo syendesye mitandaoni.
In the meantime, we urge parents to be keen and to monitor what their kids are watching.
Ndilivotie chini TV kuma utelini wa Hilton ni va musini wa Ilovi nitawa Erastus Kithuku Nzomo.